So to use this, you can see there's a port below wherein you can plug in your USB cable, and if you see below, you can see a switch by which you can turn the Bobo charger on or off. And since I've connected it to the headlight, I can use this by using the key. So I've put in my phone. First I'll have to loosen this until the phone fits in, and then once it fits in, I'll just tighten it up. So I've just turned on the key and it's not charging. That means I'll have to turn on the Bobo charger using the switch. So as you can see, it's charging right now. So I'll just turn off the key again, and you can see it's not charging again. Let me turn it on again. As you can see, it's charging. So let's do the reliability test. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. If you have any queries or suggestions, feel free to message me on Instagram. See you in the next video.